Few more minutes. We have just a little bit of program remaining, and then we will serve dinner after that. Thank you so much. Please welcome the ladies. Please give them a round of applause.
दिन नाचा जो ट्विटर पे ट्रेंड हो गया। नासिक के ढोल पे धन 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 नाचा तो सबका दी एंड हो गया। और दिखा दूं तुझे मेरा वाला डांस, ये मेरा वाला डांस तो नाचू। ये मेरा वाला डांस तो नाचू। ये मेरा वाला डांस।
की मेरी नींद उड़ाई गई, नशे में तेरे मुझको डुबाई गई। ऐसे मुझे घूरे तू काय को के झूठे वादे करके पलाई गई। मैं जाने कितनों को रुलाई गई और ठुमक से दिल को चुराई गई। आजा तुझे लेके चल चाय को ओ सैया सैया वे ओ ससुर सैया वे न छोड़ कलैया मोड़ के भैया जल्दी से सड़ो आया मोरा सैया साइको।
नाचो धनाधन म्यूजिक बजाओ कह दो ये सबसे। सेलिब्रेशन नाचो धनाधन म्यूजिक बजाओ कह दो ये सबसे। आज की पार्टी मेरी तरफ से, आज की पार्टी मेरी तरफ से। सबको बोलो तेरे पलक से, आज की पार्टी मेरी तरफ से। सबको बोलो तेरे पलक से, आज की पार्टी मेरी तरफ से।
Let's say stage tod performance, right? Thank you so much, ladies. We have two more talented women coming up on stage and showing you how they can shake it. Okay? So please give them a round of applause.
Ding dang ding ding dang ding dang ding dang ding dang dang ding
बस यही कहीं रह जा, मैं तेरी दीवानी रे। अफसोस तुझे है क्या, मुझसे दूर कहीं ना जा, बस यही कहीं रह जा, मैं तेरी दीवानी रे। अफसोस तुझे है क्या, तेरी मेरी कहानी नहीं बन गई, तू मेरा हो गया मैं तेरी हो गई। जहाँ जाए तू संग मुझे ले जा, ले जा, ले जा, ले जा, ले जा, ले जा रे। महकी रात में चुरा के सारे रंग ले जा, सारे रंग ले जा। रातें रातें भीगूं साथ में, तू ऐसी मुलाकात दे जा।
खराब करे आवलती बेहिसाब करे, दो पल की जो नींद उड़ी आ पूरे सारे ख्वाब करे। क्या करने हैं उम्रों के वादे, ये जो रहते हैं रहने दे आने। दो बार नहीं एक बार सही, एक रात की कर ले तू यारी। सुबह तक मान के मेरी बात, तू ऐसे सोच ना जी आज। के घुंघरू टूट गए, के घुंघरू टूट गए।
छोड़ के सारा शर्म और लाज, मैं से सोच से नाची आज। के घुंघरू टूट गए, के घुंघरू टूट गए।
We have our young adults here. They're going to perform a skit for you. There is an interviewer, and the ones sitting there are the interviewees. So you will see how a typical interview goes. Thank you.
Candidate number 1. Come in. Sit down. Not on the ground. Sit on the chair. What's your name?
MP sir.
What's MP?
Mohan Pandey sir.
What's your father's name?
MP sir.
What is MP now?
Manmohan Pandey sir.
Where do you live?
MP sir.
Madhya Pradesh, right?
Marishka Palace sir.
What are your qualifications?
MP sir.
What is MP?
Metric pass sir.
Then why do you want this job now?
MP no sir.
What is MP now?
Money problem sir.
Tell me about your personality.
MP sir.
What is this MP?
Mind blowing personality sir.
Okay, wait outside. We'll call you back later.
Sir MP sir.
What is this MP?
My performance sir.
You want to know how your performance is?
Yes sir.
It's MP.
What's MP sir?
Mentally punctured. Get out.
Sir MP sir. MP sir.
Get out. Candidate number 2. Come in.
Good morning sir.
Good morning. Take your seat. Hey, don't take and go. Keep and sit on it.
Oh, thank you sir. Thank you.
This is how we come for interview. Facebook, Twitter. Horrible.
My account in Facebook. I forgot my open. I opened with Twitter. Sir.
Okay, remove your glasses.
Okay sir.
Okay, what's your password now?
Password? None of your business, sir.
What?
Yes, sir. None of your business.
How did you say
That
that?
is, sir. That is my password, sir.
Sit. Okay, I'll ask you some questions.
Okay, sir.
When you go to moon, your weight decreases. Why?
Because there is no rice to eat, sir.
What's the opposite of hot?
Cold, sir.
One correct answer.
Sir, pass, sir. Pass.
No. Sit. Okay, what's the opposite of long?
Sir, jump. Long jump.
Oh, stop it!
Start it.
Shut up!
Open up.
Get up!
Get in.
Out!
In.
Out!
Sir was asking opposites, no, sir.
I will call you back later. Get up. number 3.
Thank you, sir.
Good morning, sir. Good morning. Okay. What's your name?
Murli Mohana Manmohan Pandey.
I am gonna ask you 3 questions. Who is the first president of USA?
George Washington, sir.
Very good. What's O2?
Oxygen, sir.
Okay. How many stars are in this universe?
Scientists are still looking for it, sir.
Which animal is a revolution for human being?
Donkey.
What?
Sorry, monkey, sir. Monkey.
Good. We'll call you back later. Candidate number 4.
May I come in, sir?
Come in.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning. Sit down. Okay. What's your name?
My name is George Washing Machine, sir.
Okay. What's your mother's name?
My mother's name is Oxygen, sir.
What rubbish are you talking? Is there anything on your head?
Scientists are still searching for it, sir.
You know who am I?
Sir, donkey, sir.
What?
That's a donkey, sir.
Get up! Get up! You did good, but you need to learn more alphabets. You're good for nothing. You will get selected.
Thank you, sir.
I saw you copying. Very bad. Okay, all the best for tomorrow's interview. Even I'm a candidate like you. I just wanted to see how competition I had.
What?
What's your name?
Varsity.
Sorry? Okay. Varsh Shetty, is it? Okay. He says he's the...
I am the president of SKS.
He is the president of SKS, it seems. So, Mr. Subodh, your son is competition for you. He's saying this building is very small. I am very big building's president, he said. So, thank you, Mr. Vash. Thank you so much. Can you please tell your father to come and deliver the vote of thanks? Can you say, Daddy?
Daddy,
Can you please come? Can you please come
can you please come
and deliver the vote of thanks?
and deliver
The vote
the word
of thanks.
of thanks?
Okay. Can you please give him a big round of applause? Over to you, Mr. Subodh.
So, thank you all especially. I think it's been a wonderful event today. We all enjoyed a lot, and thanks all the residents for coming down, being a part of this event and making it a big success. All the participants who made this event so glamorous and entertaining, and for all the hard work that you all have put in all these days for your practice and rehearsals. It's definitely been wonderful today. And all our sponsors who have been there always for us. Some of them have sponsored both our events, the Dandiya event as well as this event. And we are all very thankful to them because of whose funding all this has been possible today. Especially Doral IT Systems, Nexa, Canara Bank, Yes Bank, our two bankers, FADE, and then there are again a lot of angel sponsors who didn't want to be named but still gave us their own contributions for this event. Then definitely the events committee for organizing such a wonderful event today. So big thank you to all the events committee members. You are quite a lot to be named, but definitely you know who you are, and we all know who you guys are. So thanks a lot, guys. The board of managers, all the 6 guys along with me, thanks to all you guys. And Eventry for the wonderful arrangement. Bake Studio for the wonderful food that they're serving today. Samantha for being our MC, great MC. Thanks a lot, Samantha. Mahesh, Prasanna for managing the counters, Ranjit, Purushottam, all the security staff and all our supporting staff. So thank you all, and let's hope that we have more such events in future. I think we have had a good start now, right in the first week of the new year. So let's hope to have some more events and the same kind of participation. Thank you. Good night. And the food counter is open now. You can have dinner. Once the dinner is over, we'll start with the DJ. Then we can all start dancing to the DJ. Thanks. Off to you, Samantha.